No matter how many times you apply lip balm, your lips still end up dry, chapped, and dull. Don't cry or be sad, bestie. If you want soft pink lips naturally, like a lip glow up, without spending too much, then watch this video till the end. Welcome to the Pretty Girl Era Transformation Series, Episode 2. In this video, I'll share simple but effective lip care tips so you won't need filters to hide your dry, dull lips anymore. So, if you're ready, let's start. Step 1. Why lip care is important. You're a girl, but your lips make you feel no less than a man. Here's the truth. Lip balms contain oils that evaporate quickly, making your lips dry again. That's why just applying lip balm won't fix the problem. You need a proper lip care routine to keep them soft and healthy. Step 2. Exfoliation, the key to pink lips. Just like your skin, your lips also accumulate dead skin cells, making them look dull. So, the first step is removing that buildup. But wait, don't scrub right away. We need to prep the lips first. Step 3. Prepping your lips. Take aloe vera gel and apply it to a cotton pad. Place it on your lips for 3 to 5 minutes. This softens dead skin, so exfoliating won't make your lips bleed. Aloe vera also has antibacterial properties that keep your lips healthy. After 5 minutes, wipe your lips gently with a clean cotton pad. Now, half the work is done. Step 4. Lip scrub, DIY edition. Now that dead skin is loosened, let's scrub the lips. DIY lip scrub. 1 tablespoon sugar, exfoliates. 1 teaspoon coconut oil, moisturizes. 1 teaspoon honey, softens and heals. Mix it well and gently massage your lips for 1 to 2 minutes. This step will instantly make your lips softer. Step 5. Rose and glycerin magic. Now, let's deeply moisturize and add a natural pink tint. Take fresh rose petals and put glycerin on them. Place them in the fridge for 30 minutes. Take a petal and massage it on your lips for a few minutes. Why this works? Rose gives a natural pink tint, while glycerin locks in moisture, preventing cracks. Pro tip: do this before bed so glycerin can work its magic overnight. Step 6. Lip care tips for every day. Choose the right lip balm. Avoid lip balms with only tint. Instead, pick one with SPF to protect your lips from sun damage. Personal favorites: Vaseline and Bourolene. Stay hydrated. Drink at least 3 liters of water daily to keep your lips naturally soft. Stop licking your lips. It feels hydrating but actually dries them out even more. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share with your pretty girl squad, and subscribe for more glow up tips. Comment down your favorite tip, and you can also connect with me on Instagram. Till then, stay tuned for the next episode of the Pretty Girl Era Transformation Series. Thanks for watching, queens.